Welcome. If you're looking to make sure you never miss an important snap or message from Snapchat on your Android device, enabling general notifications is essential. I'm going to guide you through the simple, updated steps to turn on general notifications for Snapchat right from your phone settings. First, unlock your Android phone and head straight to the main Settings app. This is where you can control all the notifications for your apps. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will bring up a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Next, look for Snapchat in that list and tap on it. This will open the app-specific settings. Now find and tap on Notifications. Here's where you control how Snapchat sends alerts to you. Within the Notifications menu, tap Notification Categories. These categories allow you to manage different types of notifications Snapchat can send. Under the General category, find the option labeled Allow Notifications. Simply toggle this switch on. Once this is enabled, your phone will allow Snapchat to send general notification alerts, so you'll get notified about new snaps, messages, and other updates in real time. That's all there is to it. By making sure the general notifications are turned on in your Android settings, you ensure Snapchat notifications always reach you without being blocked by your phone. Remember, if you don't see notifications after enabling this, double-check that your phone isn't in Do Not Disturb mode, or that specific Snapchat notifications aren't disabled inside the app itself. But for basic notification permissions, these steps will get you covered. Now you're all set to stay connected with your friends on Snapchat and never miss a moment. Thanks for watching.